guys, I want to show something really cool that German Shepherd has designed. This is called origami simple bear trap. And yeah, it can trap your finger. And yeah, it can also do other cool things. It can also be an origami oscillation fidget spinner. Yeah, it can also be an origami oscillation fidget spinner. And yeah, this is how it spins. Well, but my hands are just way too small, so I'm not sure if it can spin. I need to have this locked. I just need to lock it. Yep. And yeah, it can spin as an oscillation fidget spinner. And yeah, on the back it's a star. Now yeah, this is a really cool model. Yeah, it can also be an origami oscillation fidget spinner. And yeah, it can also be like a blow spinner. Now yeah, I'm gonna show you the stand. Here, it looks like this. Now yeah, this stand doesn't really stand, but yeah, that stand helps it spin though. You see, it's a blow spinner on a stand. Now this origami stand doesn't really stand, but yeah, it can also, but it helps it spin. And yeah, this origami is so cool. You should make this origami. And yeah, it can do these three things. It's a bear trap, it's an origami oscillation fidget spinner, it's a bouncing blow spinner on stand, but it's not really stand because it doesn't really stand. But yeah, this is a really cool origami model. You should make it. Trust me, it's really cool. And yeah, this is my favorite origami model because the origami oscillation fidget spinner is so cool. It's just like a fidget spinner, but you just oscillate it. Just jiggle your hands. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.